Welcome back to the second video. Let's open the pink one. Let's open the pink one. Do you guys like pink? Let's show it to you. It looks like it has hair. This cat. Cat. Okay, where's the cut? Okay, let's cut it. We already know how to open it. If we can't open the bottom, we have to open the top. It still has a shape, but now it doesn't. It still has a shape. This is nothing. What is this? Look.
It's a weapon.
It's a wrapper. Look like we got a green. Oh, we got a green frog. Let's open this surprise. I think it's gonna be a cake. I feel it's very squishy. It's ice cream sandwich.
You remember last time when you got our ice cream sandwich?
Yeah, I did not finish it. I got tons. One is like this. I had one exactly the same. It has chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Let's check out the frog. We have a sticker. Why in the other one we have no sticker? We can name the frog. Is it Squishy Mushy? Well, let's see what kind of cake. We got a pink and the green. Got two. Baby is taking something. Okay, now let's close it. Look at that. The frog. Let's check what frog is it. It's the froggy frog. It's right here. What is this? What's the name of the frog? It's the green one.
It's a Faye, Foggy, and Wendy Wafer.
Wafer. Let's squish it and let the ice cream melt. Squish, 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 squish. This one, he can hold it. And look at this sticker. Should we stick it? Where should we stick the sticker, guys? It has two lines in the back that you can open, but I'm not going to open it now. So, should we stick it here? Okay. We also got another flyer. We still need it because we need to check. But this one is in the big one. This one's in the big flyer. This one you can also play. Let's go to the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.